The Magical Pencil Story.
In an old classroom, a young boy discovered a glowing magical pencil hidden inside a dusty drawer. As he touched it, the room filled with mysterious, sparkling light. The boy drew a butterfly on paper. Suddenly, it came to life and flew around the room, leaving magical sparkles behind. The boy used the magical pencil to create food and toys for poor children. Soon, his magic brought smiles and happiness to many people.
Beautiful.
One evening, the pencil glowed brightly and floated into the sky. The boy smiled peacefully, knowing its magic would never be forgotten.